Hello everybody, this weekly note is specific for the distance learner group for the B schedule. We have our next test tomorrow already, October 27th. Some things to think about as we prepare for that test. You have 4 homework assignments currently. The 1.4 Day 1, Day 2, and Day 3 worksheets. Day 1 and Day 3 should be on notebook paper. Day 2 is the graphing worksheet. And then the review worksheet that I assigned last week, remember you only had to do 1 through 12. So if you had printed out the packet, it had 2 pages, but we only had to do the first full page, 1 through 12. These are the 4 assignments that you should be turning in for credit today. You can do one of 2 things. You can either email all of those to me at once. So if you just want to take a picture of all 4 of those assignments, send it to me in an email. Or if you've already uploaded some of them to the folders and you want to do the rest of them in the folders, 10, 13, 10, 20, 22, and 23 are the folders where those assignments should be submitted. Also, always have work shown in order to earn full credit. If all you had are the answers to a worksheet, that would be 0 out of 4. Make sure you're supporting those answers with work. Also, you should be correcting your worksheets with the answer keys that are posted on Schoology. If you ever have any questions, you're always welcome to ask. Take a picture of your work, send me an email, and I'd be happy to look it over and give you some pointers to get you on the right track. Homework is due today by 11:59 p.m. for full credit. The guidelines are pretty much the same as last time with a couple of different expectations. To keep the integrity of our assessment and having everybody trying their very best, here are the guidelines that are required to take your test. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go no later than the start of your class time. If that means you have to log in a minute early just so that you're set, that would be the expectation. 4th hour students, you need to be logged in no later than 10:18. And by being logged in, you need to be ready to start. So not just logging in and shuffling around, be ready to go at that start time. 6th hour students, be ready at 12:58. And 7th hour students, please be ready at exactly 1:46 p.m. If you know you're going to be absent on Tuesday, you must email me as soon as possible to schedule a different time. Your absence must be excused, otherwise when you take your test, you'll only be allowed to achieve that 80% benchmark. Make sure that when you log into the Google Meet, you have your camera on and you're showing your entire workspace. The last time we didn't have that expectation, so that's going to be one of the main changes. I need to see you and the surface you're working on. That includes the paper you're writing on and the notes review worksheet that you were assigned last week. So I need to see this at all times during the Google Meet. Now that notes review worksheet is going to be your cheat sheet for the test. The notes review worksheet has all the steps that we've covered on the front and formulas as well. You can have any examples that you want on the back of that for extra practice. However, you are not allowed to use your notes packet. Once you finish your test, you'll submit a picture of both sides of your review worksheet with your test. If you'll need a calculator, make sure you have that ready when we begin our test. You are absolutely not allowed to use your cell phone or any other aid, like maybe a different laptop or anything else, while taking your test. Once you've finished, please let me know in the chat, and I will let you know to go grab your cell phone to take a picture. Make sure you stay on the Meet until you've submitted your test and review worksheet. I will let you know in the chat when I received your email, and then you're free to be dismissed from the Meet. If at any time it appears you haven't been following these guidelines, unfortunately, you will be dropped from the Google Meet immediately, and you'll have to reschedule taking your test with me. And if this happens, you'll only be allowed to achieve that 80% benchmark. I encourage you to review these guidelines if you need to, and let me know if you have any questions. If you do have questions on either your homework or these guidelines, please let me know right away today. I can try to answer your question quickly via email, or we can set up a Google Meet for after school. We could also set up a Google Meet Tuesday morning, but that would probably have to be at like 7:15 a.m. So if that doesn't sound like something that will work for you, Please let me know if you need to meet on Monday. So these are the guidelines. Make sure you have your homework complete. Work on that notes review worksheet. Have everything submitted tonight by 11:59. And then we should be good to go for our test. Have a great day, you guys. Thank you.